How to log in to Kalshi in website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into Kalshi through Google or Apple in your website. Let's dive right in. Open up any browser and then search for Kalshi in the search bar. Open up the link and head over to the website. And then you will see the login option in the top right corner beside sign up. Tap on it. And as soon as you tap on login, you'll get an option whether you want to continue with Google or continue with Apple. So you can choose the one of your choice. So you can tap on continue with Apple if you want to, and you'll need to enter your Apple ID, email, and password. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.